For today's video, we're only using 2 ingredients to make 50 vegan chocolate truffles because we've just reached 50 subscribers on my channel. Let's get into it. So we'll start off with our plant-based condensed milk alternative. So this is made from rice and oat flour and it is vegan, so we'll open that up. And it is quite runny already, so we can just pour that straight in rather than having to heat it up to thin it out. Scrape out the cans so you don't waste any of it. Next we'll add 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. And same again, just to make it easy. We won't sift it, we'll just pop it straight in. So, super easy 2 ingredient recipe. Now we'll stir that all together. That in until that's nice and thick, and then we are pretty much done. So super quick, super easy vegan dessert here. Just 2 ingredients and very cheap. So this is the consistency of the mixture now. Super thick. I ended up adding 1 cup and 1/3 of cocoa, just more than I expected. I came up with this recipe, but now it's thick and workable. We'll be able to roll that into balls. So that's been in the fridge to set. I just put a plate on top of the bowl so I don't use plastic wrap. Let's grab off a bit of the mixture. Some cocoa on your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands. So 5 vegan chocolate truffles done, 45 to go. Let's get rolling. Just roll them into a ball like that. And just dust it with some more cocoa and onto the plate. So we are done rolling. If you don't like making a mess, this is not the recipe for you. As you can see, there's cocoa all over the table and all over my hands. So here we have our vegan chocolate truffles.